The 2025 Ford GT MKIV is more than just a supercar, it's an engineering masterpiece designed to push the limits of performance. Built as the final send-off for the legendary Ford GT, this track-only hypercar is packed with raw power, advanced aerodynamics, and race-proven technology. Unlike its road-going siblings, the MKIV sheds all street-legal constraints to deliver an uncompromising racing experience. With a price tag well into the seven-figure range, it's an ultra-exclusive machine built for those who crave pure speed and precision. But does it live up to its legendary name? Let's find out. When it comes to looks, the 2025 Ford GT MKIV is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a more aggressive evolution of the standard Ford GT, featuring an elongated carbon fiber body that improves aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The massive rear wing, extended wheelbase, and reworked front splitter all contribute to a design that screams performance. Every detail, from the sleek LED headlights to the massive rear diffuser, is crafted with one purpose: to dominate the track. Unlike previous models, this GT ditches the traditional doors for a more race-inspired cockpit entry, further proving that function takes priority over form. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit that's all about business. Gone are the luxury materials and infotainment screens of the road-going GT. Instead, the MKIV's interior is stripped down to the essentials, featuring a lightweight carbon fiber dashboard, an FIA-approved roll cage, and racing bucket seats with 6-point harnesses. The steering wheel is more reminiscent of an endurance race car than a production vehicle, housing all necessary controls at the driver's fingertips. Digital displays provide critical information, ensuring the driver stays focused on performance. This isn't a car built for comfort, it's built for speed, and every inch of the interior reflects that. Speaking of comfort, let's be clear, this isn't a car you buy for luxury. The 2025 Ford GT MKIV is a track machine, and that means sacrificing creature comforts in favor of pure performance. There's no climate control, no plush leather seats, and certainly no fancy infotainment system. Instead, you get a hardcore racing seat, a minimalist dashboard, and a stripped-down cabin that's designed to reduce weight. The ride is stiff, the cabin is loud, and the focus is entirely on delivering an adrenaline-fueled experience. If you're looking for a car to cruise around in, this isn't it. But if you want to feel every inch of the track beneath you, the MKIV delivers in ways no luxury GT ever could. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood, the 2025 GT MKIV ditches the standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 in favor of a heavily upgraded twin-turbo V6 pushing over 800 horsepower. Paired with a lightweight chassis and race-spec suspension, this beast is built to dominate circuits. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a racing-spec paddle-shift transmission, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes. The MKIV's extended wheelbase enhances stability, while its aggressive aerodynamics provide extreme downforce to keep it planted through high-speed corners. This isn't just a fast car, it's a track weapon designed to embarrass even the most elite hypercars. So, is the 2025 Ford GT MKIV worth it? If you're looking for a road car, absolutely not. This is not a daily driver or a weekend cruiser, it's a no-compromise race car for the most dedicated track enthusiasts. Ford has built this car as the ultimate expression of the GT legacy, and it delivers an experience that few other vehicles can match. With extreme power, unmatched handling, and a design built purely for speed, the MKIV is a fitting farewell to one of the greatest supercars of our time. It's rare, it's brutal, and it's everything a track-focused hypercar should be. If you have the means to own one, consider yourself part of an elite group experiencing automotive history at its finest.